If you try to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your iPhone, but your Wi-Fi is grayed out and not working, don't worry. This is a pretty common issue, and in this video, I'm going to show you several ways to fix it. First, let's take a look at what the problem actually looks like. If you swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, you might notice that the Wi-Fi icon is grayed out. And if you go into your Settings app and tap on Wi-Fi, you may not even be able to turn it on. So let's start with the easiest fix. The first thing you want to do is turn airplane mode on and then turn it back off. This refreshes all of your wireless connections, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular. To do this, just swipe down from the top right corner, tap on airplane mode to turn it on, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back off. Now check if your Wi-Fi is working again. If that didn't fix it, don't worry. We've got more solutions. Next, head into your Settings app and scroll down to Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this feature is turned on, it can sometimes block changes to your Wi-Fi settings. So if it's enabled, go ahead and turn it off. Keep in mind, if you have a screen time passcode set, you'll need to enter it here. Once that's done, go back and check your Wi-Fi again. Still not working? Let's move on. Now we're going to reset your network settings. This is one of the most effective fixes. Go back to the main settings page, tap on General, scroll all the way down, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Just keep in mind, this will erase saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, so you'll need to press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it, even when you see slide to power off. Don't let go until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the button and let your iPhone restart. This can fix deeper system glitches that might be causing your Wi-Fi issue. And that's it. One of these methods should definitely get your Wi-Fi back up and running. If this helped you out, feel free to drop a like. And if you're still having issues, leave a comment below, and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.